Hello, welcome. Today I want to show you how to swap audio using Adobe Premiere Pro 2020. So I want to swap this audio. There's this video I did. The audio was not very good, and I also did record the same at the same time in my mobile phone. So I want to swap the audio with the one I recorded in my mobile phone because my computer makes a lot of noise from its fan. So let me show you. So you can hear all that news. And then there's this audio. Just open VLC. So this one is better. This one is better, although my computer is still making noise. My phone has already recorded some noise from my computer. So I'll also show you how you can remove all that background noise. So let's start. So I need to go to Adobe Premiere Pro. You can see this one there. Go to Project. So you must be editing. So go to Project. Then I will double click import. I will import this. Then I'll double click import my audio. I'll import my audio. Then I will drag my video to timeline. And also that holding my shift, drag my audio to timeline so it will be snapped at the same time. So the next thing I need to do is to come here, right click, and then unlink. So I want to unlink this audio, the original audio from this video. So I will unlink. Then I can let's first play this. So we can unlink. So it has been unlinked. I can just delete it. Okay. So I can increase now the volume. Then I will go to effects. So if you don't see this audio clip mixer, you just need to go to Windows and then go to make sure this one is checked. So I need to go to loss reduction, distortion, then denoise, does this. Then if you don't see the essential sound, just go to Windows, make sure essential sound is checked. Then I will open dialog, reduce noise, drag it. Then I will also reduce rumble, reduce reverb, the ease, and then I can make it dynamic, and then I can increase the level of my clip. And let's see. So you can hear that is much better compared to the original. So you can hear the difference, right? I prefer to record this in mobile because my mobile is very flexible. I don't need to buy costly mics. Also, of course, mobile phone is very wow. So we can just select and check any of these until the sound is the way you want it to be. Personally, I prefer to design manually, and that's why check my reviews. I do not focus on my design to sell spreadsheets and then. So you can hear that is much better. So now we can go to File. We can go to File, then we can export this. Then Media, then make sure this one render at maximum depth is checked. Then I will export. So it will be saved to where you just select, so, and then export. So that's how we go about it. If you like this video, consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thank you.